Hey y'all, welcome to GG Outdoors. I'm in my backyard shooting some guns. Air rifles, that is. This is the Benjamin Prowler 22 air rifle. I think this is a CV Life scope that I have on here. I bought on eBay. It's a 9x40 power scope. And I can't shoot real guns in my backyard, so this is how I practice. I decked it out in Realtree camo tape because I bought it for another project and it didn't work for it. Plus, I'm planning on doing some squirrel hunting this year with these. I brought all my pellet and BB guns out, so we're move this back. So we're just gonna do a review on all of them and go through it. So hope y'all stick with me. So like I said, this is 22 caliber pellet rifle. It shoots the same exact diameter that would come out of a 22 long rifle. Okay. I have the Ruger Airhawk Elite 2. Again, you can buy both of these guns at Walmart for 99 bucks, and they shoot really well, and these are really powerful guns. So here, I'm going to shoot this one, and then we'll get back into talking about some guns and do some fun shooting and do different angles, and you never know what's going to happen in my backyard today. Hey y'all, don't mind my neighbors talking. We're going to get into shooting this thing. Again, this is the 1.77 caliber Ruger Airhawk Elite 2 from Walmart, decked out in Realtree camo. They shoot the same exact size pellets that you shoot out of your kid's BB gun, just at 1,200 feet per second. You can hunt squirrels and rabbits with this thing in Indiana. They make air guns that go up to 50 caliber, like a muzzleloader, that you can hunt deer with in certain states, but Indiana hasn't legalized those yet. So let's have some fun. Idiots. I think I missed that shot. I'm not the best shot with these. But we're going to get into talk about the different types of guns I have out here. The one on my side right here. This is the Crosman American Classic 22. Shoots a 22 caliber pellet. It is a pellet pistol. So you pump it up like a regular BB gun. 10 pumps and she's ready to go. The bolt opens like a 22 caliber rifle. Okay. I don't want to knock that off the table after that. You drop a pellet in there, load it, take it off safety, and she's ready to go. I missed. I'm gonna get better shooting these little guns, but the next gun I have, these are just BB pistols. This is the Daisy Powerline 340. It only shoots BBs, like 300 feet per second. It's just like a regular handgun. You get it at Walmart, $10 at Walmart for one of these. They're pretty nice. And them dang dogs are making me mad. But we're gonna go ahead and shoot this thing too. These aren't that accurate, but they're really fun to shoot. The next one I have, this is the Marksman BB Repeater. It's got a bunch of BBs in there, you guys can hear it. pretty much. I bought this at a thrift shop. I traded for it, and then I repainted it jet black. It's pretty easy. It's all metal, made in the early 90s. Pop back. Okay. Make sure you got a BB down in there. Shake it down in there. There we go. We got one in there now. Dang it, fell out of the. Yep. I had one in there. There we go now. Oh, damn. Keeps falling out the barrel. Well, shove it forward like that. We're ready to go. Off safety. I missed that one too. But those two pistols are just fun to shoot. Now, we have the iconic Daisy lever action Red Ryder pellet gun, y'all. What, 17, 18 bucks at Walmart. It's fun to shoot. It's like a 30-30 carbine. Love the old black and white Western. And I just have fun shooting this thing. These little guns aren't very accurate, but we're going to get into having some fun actually shooting at these targets. And I've got something fun planned for you guys, so here we go. Hit that one pretty good. Going for the gopher. I hit the gopher. I don't know how well I hit the gopher, but I hit him pretty good. One thing, tip, for any of you guys that are just starting to shoot air rifles, do not hold this thing like your deer rifle, okay? Artillery hold. Let the weight of the rifle work for you. I'm probably really bad about that. I just started shooting rifles and watching a bunch of YouTube videos about it. So, I'm learning with you guys. Alright guys, so we got zombies that overtook the property here during the zombie apocalypse, and all I've got with me is the Airhawk Elite 2 1.77 caliber air rifle, again shooting 1200 feet per second out of the muzzle. And there's a whole thing like called foot pounds, and maybe if you guys want to know more about air rifles I can get into it, but right now they've got the guard dogs out, see the zombie dogs, and this one lady's got a freaking knife, and the other ones just look mean, and I have to go all the way back to my back fence. Okay, that's 24 yards with this sniper rifle, and see if I can take them out. And hopefully I can, y'all. It's gonna get real hairy here. I gotta save the town of Worthington where I live from the zombie apocalypse. But I wanted to show you guys them zombies right there. And I'm gonna back up to the fence and set this camera up so you guys can see me shoot. Hopefully I can take out the zombies, and then I'll pause it again and come up here and do some long range shots, but that's gonna take a little while because I have to load each one of these pellets by hand. So, here we go. Now, I honestly believe that you can stop the zombie apocalypse with an air rifle. This is an exact replica of what I would have to do if I was defending my backyard from a bunch of zombies. Okay, they're coming up on me quick. 24 yards. I don't have a lot of time to get situated. Okay, I've got zombies up on my butt. Now, here's why I think air rifles are perfect for the zombie apocalypse. You don't have any boom, okay? Zombies are attracted to gunshots. But I can tell why this thing would get really annoying really quick. You have to get really good at what you're doing. You spill your pellets, you're hosed. You know, normally they're running at you, trying to eat you. Remember, get the artillery hold. Forgot to flip off the safety. You'll see how I did. You know, I think I would have probably died. I killed that one zombie, but he wasn't even what I was looking at. I shot that other one in the shoulder and hit the power line pole or whatever that one was going behind. I didn't do too well. You know, if they're running after you. But this was just for fun. I'm going to take a couple more shots for you guys, and you guys can watch me shoot at the targets, and we'll come back and see how I do. So I'm just going to set you guys right there. We're going to film me over here somewhere shooting again at 24 yards. Exactly like I did. Oh. I don't like those shots very well either. Those are farther off. I missed the top. I still hit the pole on that one. And then I hit way off on this other one. So let's pause this. I'll get the other gun and we're going to see the same exact thing. But this time, I think I'm going to be a little bit closer. Alright, so now I've got the Brenderman Powder 22. I'm just going to go back to the gun table, do these last couple of shots. But we'll pause this, get it down to camera level, and see how I do. Maybe I can kill some zombies with this thing, but I'm just back here having fun is all I'm doing. So it's just fun to imagine things. Maybe I'll save the world one of these days. Get these guns sighted in right. I think actually I'm going to go back to 24 yards like I was doing. That's as far as my back fence. I didn't do very well. I shot really low on all those shots, but how about I say defending it with the pistol real quick, and then I'm going to be done with this. So before I get into shooting this thing, I want to tell you guys something. Those shots are at 24 yards. It's 24 yards from my target to my back fence. That's what I shoot my bow at. That's what all my guns I shoot at the farthest. No duh, they're off. I've only got those scope sight in at 15 yards. That makes the situation even better. What happens if I got backed up against that fence with nothing but a breakbacks and air rifle? I don't think I do very well. I mean, I did hit that one in the head, but I was aiming at the middle zombie. But 22 caliber pistol. We're just gonna have some fun, and then I'm gonna go back inside and put all this stuff up. All right, let's do it. So if I'm back here and there's zombies running up on me, right? I have to shoot this thing really well. Shoot the dog. See how it did. Well, I hit one zombie in the head right here. I shot the other one down here. And then the other pellet went in here. I can honestly say, y'all, me doing the zombie thing was unsuccessful, but it was just for fun. I have fun just shooting back here in my backyard. But I'd like to thank you all for joining me on this video. I know it's been a while since I posted one. I've been working a lot, and hey, I like to show The Walking Dead. I like zombies. I think they're fun just to shoot with. So I thank you all for joining me.